Meaning of Dundee.
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 Dundee. Dundee is a city located in eastern Scotland, on the north bank of the Firth of Tay. Known as the City of Discovery, it has a rich history of industrial innovation and is home to many cultural landmarks and historical sites. The city is known for its shipbuilding heritage, as well as its production of marmalade and jute textiles. It is also famous for being the birthplace of the popular comic character Desperate Dan. Dundee is a vibrant and dynamic city, with a strong local identity and a thriving arts and culture scene.